Hello, it's Alex and I'm in my hallway. Soon to be in the garage. I've got a couple of hours to spare this afternoon, so I'm gonna do a little bit more on the P6. I don't know how much I will film, but I'll show you what I'm up to. Oh yes, this is where I was up to. I was trying to sort this top panel out. Now I did debate whether just to cut the whole thing out and replace the whole thing. But this is a weird shape here. And that's all solid. There's a few little holes there, and I think that's just where the channeling was spot welded to, and it's sort of a hole. So I'm going to clean those out and probably blob them up with a weld. But that is solid there, so I've decided to leave that shape. I'm going to have to do something down here, obviously. But I've cut these bits out. Again, there's a funny shape here, and I want to sort of leave that in there if I can. Again, holes here was where the channeling was. Just a little hole. Yeah, and I don't know about this yet. Now I think you've seen enough of me actually welding, so I'm not going to keep you on all the time, because otherwise these videos are going to get boring. It's just going to be me going grind. So you've seen it as it is now. I'm going to crack on with it because I've only got a couple of hours, and then I'll show you how I've got on. Right, I've been at it for, I haven't got my watch on, probably, I'm going to say a good 2 hours, at least 2 hours out here. I'll show you what I've done. Been busy with the grinder. Let me get the torch on so you can see. Ooh. Maybe the torch is too bright actually. Right, sorry. So these are the two patches I've just welded on. I meant to show you with it welded actually. I'll include the photos. And this is what it looks like now. I've ground it back. So I've got a little lip here, and I've made the lip because it's got a little rusty lip going along there. So I've got a bend in that plate there. That's all absolutely solid, unlike that. Blobbed some weld in these holes, ground that back. Blobbed some weld in that hole, ground that back. Then I've gone round and I've ground back a little bit. I haven't gone too mad because it's going to have like seam sealer on and stuff. So I ground back some of this. I ground back this as well just to see if any holes appeared, and there's no holes. I just need to get some rust killer on this to stop it getting any worse really. Ground that back a bit. Ground some of this back a bit as well, this mess. And then this is the only bit apart from this bit, because all this is going to have to be done at the same time as this because I don't know where it links, etc, etc. So I'm leaving that well alone until this bit is touched. And of course we've still got the hole behind the retro rat sticker to deal with because that goes in the car, so I need to get the seats out and things. But again, all that can be done at the same sort of time. So this is the last bit of welding to do other than that. So I've just cut this out. The wheel arch itself here, that's still solid and good, so I've kept that there because that's how it was. I think it's probably tack welded onto that. There's still a bit there I couldn't quite get off. So I'm just going to make a new plate there, shape it down, and again give it this little lip and butt it on. Yeah, and that's the last piece of welding that he's doing. Oh yeah, I forgot, I need to grind that little lumpy bit back there that I tidied up. I need to move these sheets first. Oh, don't ask me what day it is. It's another day. It's late, it's dark out. But I really want to get on with this. So I cut this out the other night, got it ready, and I've just cut this panel out of cardboard. So that lips nicely over there. and up under this piece. Hopefully I've cut enough of that out. Yeah, so now I need to cut that out of metal, and I'd love to weld that in tonight, but I just don't know if I've got time. A bit annoying, isn't it? It's nice. Right, I've just been in the shed and cut out the repair panel. It's going to need some beating with a hammer. Let's put the torch on. Here she is. I found another hole here as well. I'm just going to block that up with weld for now. Yeah, I'm gonna tack weld this in there, and then I'm gonna beat it down so it clips over that side, and then it's all got to be beaten into this shape. I'm sure we can do it with I've forgotten the name of my hammer. I named it, my new one, the flat face. I can't remember his name. Sad, isn't it? Oh. Now this is awkward for me having you there, but I thought you might like to see a bit of welding in case you haven't seen any lately. Let's try. You know what? I don't need that. It's only be a little blap. A little blap. So try and stick that onto there. Yeah? So let's try and just get a little spot. Okay, so that's sort of spotted on there. A bit rubby. It's awkward. Trying to get things to line up, you know? Got some smoke. Smoke means fire. There. Not on this occasion, thankfully. It is a worry. I do worry about that causing a fire. That looks good. That's okay. I might try and give it a whack. Just to give it that try and give it that wheel arch shape, you know? That looks okay. I don't reckon that's too bad. That'll all come together, don't worry. I reckon. Hope you can see this. I did knock you over, didn't I? Let's bring you up a bit. I am in confined space here. Rain a bit boxing. Oh my god, what are you doing? Look at that bad boy. Nice. yes, very good. Yeah, my friend Clive said that I can hold that there to stabilise me and I'm not going to burn myself, which is great. I'm happy with that plan. Right, let's see if we can get this to get nice. Oh yes. Okay, let's do a little road here. Dark. There's some strange noises going on here. Oh, it's a bit uncomfortable. Oh. The wire's not coming out very nice. Where's that? What's happening? It's not coming out nice at all, is it? Have I knocked the wire speed down? No. Oh dear, I'm going to have to investigate. The welder is not happy. That was a bit strange. This was sort of not turning very well and it was sort of making a horrible screechy noise, so I unbolted it. I've just put a bit of grease there on the reel and it seems to be okay now. Fingers crossed, but I've moved my settings now, so I don't know, I can't remember where it was. Somewhere around there. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Oh, that's better. Oh, that is better. Oh, thank goodness for that. Wakey wakey neighbours. And we're blowing through. No. Rubbish metal there, I think. That's nice, yeah, not bad. Just got a bit of a mess there, unfortunately, where that's I've made the panel too small. Hi. And the metal's too rubbish. I thought it was good enough metal there, but obviously not. Oh dear. Blowing holes through this one. Epoxy thin metal. That is a shame. I'm going to get my Dremel and I reckon we can do this a little bit quickly. Yeah, it's been a bit awkward shape, isn't it? Excuse me. Let's cut a bit of this off. Shh! Wake the neighbours up. Hi. Thou shalt get this done. I just spotted on that plough there. Looking good, looking good. That's a sexy mound. good. No fire. I wonder if I can block this up. No. No, I'm gonna have to do a plate on that as well, I think. Weird. That's alright. That's good. That'll all ground down nicely. That's got a nice bit of shape to it. Look at that. That was made to go in there. Let's do that. Hang on. I need a way of just holding this on without my fingers, you know. Oh no, no welding glove on here, look. Hold it. Like it. That's it. Solid, no holes. Marvellous. Well, next bit to do after that, which is going to happen another day, is I need to sort out the strip for the rubber seal on the bits I've repaired. I need to fit a new length of it. This has all got a bit twisted and damaged, which is a shame. Probably happened in the post. I need to sort that out, and that needs tack welding on.